Good day, everyone. I am here to report the subtopic of Chapter 2, the allowable bearing stress on plates and bolt holes. In the projected area of bolts and rivets, ensure connections with end distance in the line of forces not less than 1.5 dimension and the distance center to center of bolts not less than 3 dimensions. The allowable bearing stress has or the FP has follows. In a standard or short slotted holes with 2 or more bolts in the line of force, when deformation around the hole is of concern, muna siya ang imong gamiton if mo deform sa around the hole. FP o L is equal to 1.20 FU. The next is in long slotted holes with the axis of slot perpendicular to the direction of load and with 2 or more bolts in the line of force. Yeah. Sa kuan is the if in long slotted holes FP equals to F 1.0 FU. The next is on the projected area of bolts or rivet losses to the edge in standard or short slotted holes with the edge distance less than 1.5 dimension and in all connection with single bolt in the line of force. Once ang formula FP is equal to LE if you over 2 dimension 2D or is not greater than or equal to 1.20 FU, where L is the distance from the free edge to the center of the bolt, and D is the bolt diameter in mm. So guys, in the next video I will be reporting is the example in the topic allowable bearing stress on plates and bolts holes.